8 hidden health perks of olive oil you shouldn't ignore. Did you know that olive oil could be the key to unlocking hidden health benefits you didn't even know about? What if adding just one ingredient to your daily routine could boost your health in ways that might surprise you? In this video, we're revealing 8 incredible health perks of olive oil that you definitely don't want to miss. Stay tuned, your health could take a major turn for the better. Olive oil isn't just a staple in Mediterranean cooking, it's been used for centuries for its health-boosting properties. Known as liquid gold, this oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that your body craves. It's one of the reasons why the Mediterranean diet is linked to longer life and lower rates of disease. But today, we're going beyond the basics and diving into some of the lesser-known benefits of olive oil. Let's get started with our first hidden perk. Perk number 1, supports heart health. First up, olive oil is a true heart health hero. It's packed with monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that help lower your bad LDL cholesterol while boosting your good HDL cholesterol. Studies show that regularly consuming olive oil can reduce your risk of heart disease and even help regulate blood pressure. So, next time you're cooking, swap out unhealthy fats for olive oil, and your heart will thank you in the long run. Perk number 2, anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil doesn't just taste good, it fights inflammation too. Thanks to a compound called oleocanthal, olive oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, similar to ibuprofen. This means that incorporating olive oil into your diet can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, which is key in preventing chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. So with every drizzle of olive oil, you're not just adding flavor, you're helping your body stay balanced and healthy. Perk number 3, improves brain function. Olive oil isn't just good for your heart, it's great for your brain too. Research shows that the healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil can help protect your brain from aging and even lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The polyphenol in olive oil fight oxidative stress, keeping your brain sharp and your memory strong. Think of it as food for your brain that keeps those neurons firing efficiently. Incorporating olive oil into your meals might just help you stay mentally fit for years to come. Perk number 4, aids in digestion. Olive oil can do wonders for your digestive system. It helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Not only does it promote a healthy gut, but it also helps prevent constipation by improving bowel movement. It's a natural way to keep things running smoothly in your digestive tract. So whether it's drizzling it over your salad or cooking with it, olive oil supports a healthier, happier digestive system. Perk number 5, boosts skin health. Olive oil isn't just for cooking, it's also a beauty secret for your skin. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil hydrates and nourishes your skin, keeping it soft and glowing. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation and reduce signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. You can even use it as a moisturizer or to heal dry, cracked skin. By incorporating olive oil into your diet and even your skincare routine, you're giving your skin the care it needs from the inside out. Perk number 6, enhances weight loss. Surprisingly, olive oil can actually support your weight loss goal. The healthy fats in olive oil help keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating or snacking on unhealthy food. Plus, olive oil is metabolized differently than other fats, meaning it can boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently. By swapping out unhealthy oils and fats for olive oil, you're giving your body the healthy fuel it needs to shed those extra pounds without feeling deprived. Perk number 7, supports bone health. Did you know olive oil can help strengthen your bones? Studies suggest that olive oil may improve calcium absorption, which is crucial for bone density and overall bone strength. People who include olive oil regularly in their diet tend to have better bone health, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis as they age. So, by adding olive oil to your meals, you're not just keeping your heart and brain healthy, you're also giving your bones a boost. Perk number 8, regulates blood sugar level. Last but not least, olive oil can play a role in regulating your blood sugar level. Research indicates that incorporating olive oil into your diet can improve insulin sensitivity and help control blood sugar. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk, as it helps stabilize energy levels and reduces sugar spikes. So whether you're drizzling it on your salad or using it in cooking, olive oil can be a smart choice for maintaining balanced blood sugar level. Thanks for watching and take care of your health.